Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can cut out an image using Photopea, so let's get right into it. Now, you can use a couple of tools, one of which is the magic wand, and you can select the background, and if you make sure your layer is selected, by the way, and if you select the background and right click and click inverse, it will select the actual objects that are not the background, and if I click delete, it'll delete those objects. However, a much more precise effect or tool is the lasso tool. Let me just deselect this. What you need to do to use the lasso tool is zoom in as much as you can and then outline the image as accurately as you can. And then once you outline it, let's say I want to remove these leaves for some reason, let me just move the image around, just make a quick outline along the leaves edge, and once I do this, it should select only the leaves, and make sure to go all the way that you want your everything to be deleted. And now if I zoom out, as you can see, this is what has been deleted. And if you want to remove this object, you can fill it in and make sure it is filled with the same color as the background, or you can just delete it and it will be deleted from the picture. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.